Hey guys, how are you been? Today I'm going to walk you through the complete installation process of Fedora. Before that, let's just discuss why Fedora. Basically, Fedora is an open source software. Fedora is known for its cutting edge technologies, stability, and strong focus on innovation. Since it open source, it's completely free to use, and it gives you the freedom to customize and contribute to its development as well, if you know. So we will be installing it. So the current version is 41. While recording this video, we need the Fedora workstation. You can test the servers. If you want to know more about servers and clouds, you can follow me. I will be updating you that as well. This is Fedora 41 workstation. I am using an Intel. If you are using ARM based processor, you can use go for it. Just download it. It's downloading. I have already downloaded, so I will not continue. Uh, yeah, that's it for downloading process. Then we will format the USB pen drive and make it a bootable pen drive. So let's start. Just insert the pen drive that you want to format. Once this is done, open the command prompt, write the command. Now a new command will pop up. What you have to do is write the command disk. One is my pen drive. We will be making it a bootable pen drive. Before that, we need to format it. So just make it select disk one clear. Sorry, just clean it. Then write command create partition primary. Then write yeah format s equals to that to will format the drive completely. We are done, guys. Close this. We don't need this anymore. Okay, now you need a software called basically helps us to make bootable pen drive. Um, go a bit low. Yeah, there it is. Just install it. Allow the permissions that it is asking for. Then it will auto detect your pen drive. Don't worry about that. Select the ISO image that you have downloaded for Fedora. Once this is done, click on Start button to start the format, and it will automatically make a bootable pen drive. You don't have to do anything. Just click on Start. OK. And yes, it may take 1 to 2 minutes. Just wait for it. Once the process is done, it will show ready. So basically, we are ready to install. Now we are in BIOS utility. The first thing that you need to do before booting, just turn off or disable the secure boot. Once this is done, go to the boot option. um,
This was below, but I took it to the top. This is the pen drive that I'm using, USB HDD. You can find it somewhere around this. You can toggle the sequence using F5 or F6. Once this is at the top, it should be at the first priority because you are booting to Ubuntu. This is done. Now just go to exit saving changes, click on yes. Once you done that, after that you will see a message popping, start Fedora workstation. Click on that somewhere around here. Just after that, install the Fedora. Choose the language preferences, select the installation destination. If you want to clean your hard disks, just click on this tick mark, click on done. Delete all because I want to completely remove everything and install afresh, so reclaim space. Once this is done, open the time and change this to your specific region and city. Then begin the installation. It will take a few minutes, like 5 to 10, depending upon your SSD speed. Give it a time. So we are done with the installation. Just click on finish installation. Connect the Wi-Fi. Enable the third-party repositories. Enter your name. Now you are all set to use Fedora.